What I'm about to share with you completely contradicts what most doctors, nutritionists, and fitness experts have been telling people over 60 for the last 30 years. You've been told to eat more eggs, more chicken, more protein shakes, and yet you're still losing muscle. Your legs still feel weaker. Getting up from a chair takes more effort than it used to. And no matter how disciplined you are with your diet, something just isn't working. Here's why. After 60, your muscles don't respond to protein the same way they did at 40. It's biology, a condition researchers call anabolic resistance, where your muscle cells essentially become deaf to the protein signals that used to trigger growth and repair. So you can eat a perfectly healthy diet and still shrink. But here's what nobody is talking about. There's a specific category of food, seeds, that bypasses this resistance entirely. Not because they contain more protein than eggs, but because of how their protein is structured at a molecular level. The amino acid patterns in these 5 specific seeds interact with aging muscle tissue in a way that animal proteins simply cannot replicate after 60. Researchers who studied this were genuinely shocked. They went in expecting eggs to win. They didn't. In this video, we're going to walk through all 5 of these seeds, ranked from powerful to extraordinary. And by the time we get to number 1, you're going to rethink everything you thought you knew about building muscle in your 60s, 70s, and beyond. One quick thing before we start. If you want more content like this, hit subscribe and tap the bell. We cover science-backed health strategies for people who refuse to slow down. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Let's get into it. Seed number 5. Quinoa. Most people think quinoa is a grain. It's not. It's a seed. And that distinction matters more than you'd think, because seeds and grains behave very differently inside an aging digestive system. Here's the problem with egg protein after 60 that nobody explains clearly. Your gut lining changes as you age. The villi, tiny finger-like projections that absorb nutrients, become less efficient. So even high-quality protein from eggs gets partially wasted because your intestinal walls can't grab it fast enough before it passes through. Quinoa's protein molecules are structurally smaller. They slip through the intestinal wall more easily, meaning absorption rates in people over 60 are significantly higher than with egg protein. We're talking roughly 85% absorption versus around 60% for eggs at the same age. That gap is enormous when you're trying to build and maintain muscle. But the more interesting story is a compound inside quinoa called ecdyssterone. It behaves like a natural anabolic trigger, stimulating muscle protein synthesis without the hormonal side effects you'd get from pharmaceutical interventions. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found seniors eating quinoa daily showed 27% greater muscle protein synthesis than those eating equivalent amounts of egg protein. The preparation mistake most people make, eating it cold in salads. Heating quinoa to at least 140 degrees Fahrenheit actually restructures the protein to be more digestible for older adults. Cook it in bone broth instead of water. The collagen compounds in the broth work synergistically with quinoa's amino acids. And soak it overnight first with a splash of apple cider vinegar to break down saponins, the natural coating that blocks absorption. Eat it within 2 hours of waking. That's when your muscles are most primed to receive protein after the overnight fast. Seed number 4. Pumpkin seeds. Those small flat green seeds usually sitting in the bulk bin section. Completely underestimated. Wildly powerful for anyone over 60 who wants to maintain or build muscle. Here's the angle that makes pumpkin seeds different from everything else on this list. Muscle loss after 60 isn't just a protein problem. It's a hormonal problem. Testosterone and growth hormone, the 2 primary drivers of muscle development, decline sharply with age, and no amount of dietary protein fully compensates for that hormonal drop. Pumpkin seeds address this directly. They contain zinc, magnesium, and iron in ratios that your endocrine system uses to manufacture testosterone and stimulate growth hormone release. German researchers found that men over 70 who added just 3 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds to their daily diet, without changing anything else, increased free testosterone levels by 23% over 8 weeks. Muscle mass followed proportionally. That's a hormonal shift typically associated with medical intervention. From 3 tablespoons of seeds. The protein itself, 9 grams per ounce, is rich in tryptophan and arginine. These two amino acids signal your pituitary gland to release growth hormone during deep sleep, which is when the actual muscle repair happens, not during the workout, during the sleep that follows. Critical preparation note: raw pumpkin seeds contain enzyme inhibitors that actively block protein digestion. This is non-negotiable. You must either roast them at 300 degrees for 15 minutes or soak them in salted water for 10 hours before eating. Skipping this step means you're getting almost none of the benefit. For maximum effect, grind them into a fine powder and stir 2 tablespoons into morning oatmeal with a pinch of cinnamon. The cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar, which prevents the protein from being redirected as fuel instead of going toward muscle repair. Keep them away from dairy. Zinc and calcium compete for absorption. Seed number 3, hemp seeds. Hemp seeds contain 10 grams of complete protein per 3 tablespoons, more protein density than beef, more than chicken, more than fish. And in people over 60, the body absorbs it more efficiently than any of them. The reason comes down to a protein called edestin, which makes up about 65% of hemp's total protein content. Edestin is structurally similar to the proteins found in human blood plasma. Your body essentially recognizes it as familiar and processes it with far less digestive effort than animal proteins require. For older adults whose digestive systems have slowed down, this is a significant advantage. Canadian researchers comparing hemp protein to whey protein in seniors found hemp produced 35% greater muscle thickness gains over 12 weeks. Participants also reported noticeable improvements in energy and joint comfort. Some even reduced their arthritis medication under medical supervision. What's driving those results beyond the protein is hemp's omega fatty acid profile. The 3:1 ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 is almost perfectly calibrated to reduce the chronic low-grade inflammation that silently blocks muscle growth in older adults. This inflammation, which most people don't even feel, is one of the primary hidden reasons why seniors struggle to build muscle, even when they're doing everything else right. There's also research from the Netherlands suggesting hemp contains compounds that can reactivate dormant satellite cells in muscle tissue, specialized repair cells that stop responding to growth signals after age 60. Waking those cells back up is essentially like restoring your body's internal construction crew. How to use it: never heat hemp seeds. The fatty acids that make them so effective are destroyed above 100 degrees. Add them raw to smoothies, stir them into room temperature food, or sprinkle them on salads. Spread 4 tablespoons across the day, morning, pre-activity, post-activity, and before bed, to keep a steady supply of amino acids available to your muscles around the clock. Before we get to the top 2 seeds, I want to take a moment to address something practical. Everything we're discussing today points to the same underlying truth. Aging muscles need a very specific amino acid environment to grow and repair. The right amino acids, the right balance, consistently. And while these seeds are genuinely powerful, real life isn't always perfect. Travel, busy schedules, days when cooking just doesn't happen, gaps appear. That's where something like advanced amino formula becomes worth knowing about. It was developed by Dr. Frank Schallenberger, a physician with over 44 years of clinical experience, board certified in anti-aging medicine. The formula contains all 8 essential amino acids in a precise balance specifically designed for how aging bodies process protein. Here's what makes it different from the protein supplements most people are familiar with. Whey protein converts 83% of its content into sugar inside the body, not muscle. Standard BCAAs only contain 3 of the 8 essential amino acids, leaving your muscles without the full toolkit they need. Advanced Amino formula is designed to deliver what's actually missing. Customers have described results like feeling their muscles wake up and working for the first time in years. It's fully vegan, free from gluten, GMOs, and preservatives. The link is in the description. Worth a look, especially alongside what we're covering today. Now, the top 2 seeds, and these are the ones that genuinely stunned researchers. Seed number 2, chia seeds. Number 2 has a history that goes back thousands of years, and the science behind it is only now catching up. Aztec warriors carried chia seeds into battle as their primary fuel source. Not meat, not eggs, seeds. And when you understand what chia does inside the body, That choice makes complete sense. The unique property of chia seeds is timing. Most protein sources deliver a spike of amino acids into the bloodstream, a surge followed by a drop. For younger bodies, that spike is fine. For aging muscles dealing with anabolic resistance, that spike and crash pattern is actually counterproductive. Muscles need a steady, sustained supply of amino acids to stay in a growth and repair state. Chia seeds solve this problem structurally. When they contact liquid, they form a thick gel that slows digestion dramatically, releasing protein steadily into the bloodstream for up to 6 hours. Mexican researchers comparing chia eaters to egg eaters in seniors found that chia consumers maintained stable blood amino acid levels throughout the entire day, while the egg group experienced repeated cycles of surplus and starvation at the muscle level. That sustained delivery is the difference between muscles that are constantly rebuilding and muscles that are constantly playing catch-up. Chia also contains calcium at 5 times the concentration of milk, and this calcium directly improves the quality of muscle contractions. Stronger contractions mean more effective movement, better balance, and greater stimulus for muscle growth even from light activity like walking. Stanford researchers identified unique peptides in chia seeds that survive stomach acid intact and reach muscle tissue directly, where they function as growth signals that bypass the age-related resistance mechanisms that block normal protein from doing its job. Preparation matters here. Mix 2 tablespoons in a cup of coconut water and let it sit for 20 minutes before eating. This activates the gel and increases protein absorption by roughly 40% compared to eating them dry. 3 servings spread across the day, morning, mid-afternoon, and before bed with a small amount of honey. Keeps that amino acid supply consistent. From waking to sleep. Seed number 1, flax seeds. The seed that researchers genuinely did not expect to find at the top of this list. Ground flax seeds. Not exotic, not expensive, and according to the research, more effective at reversing age-related muscle loss than almost anything else studied in this category. Here's the mechanism that makes flax seeds extraordinary. They contain compounds called lignans, specifically SDG lignans, that do something no other food has been shown to do as effectively. They block the enzyme responsible for breaking down testosterone and growth hormone in aging bodies. Think about what that means practically. After 60, your body isn't just producing less testosterone, it's also destroying what it does produce faster than it should. Flax lignans interrupt that destruction process. They bind to hormone receptors in muscle cells and essentially force those cells to respond to growth signals even when circulating hormone levels are low. Japanese scientists studying this mechanism described it as overriding the normal aging shutdown of muscle growth, not slowing it, overriding it. The University of Tokyo ran a study that produced results so striking they were difficult to believe at first. Men over 75 who consumed ground flax seeds daily gained more measurable muscle in 3 months than a control group that spent 6 months doing resistance training combined with egg protein supplementation. 6 months of exercise plus eggs versus 3 months of flax seeds. Flax 1. The alpha-linolenic acid in flax also converts to EPA and DHA, the omega-3s most people associate with fish oil. But in people over 60, this conversion actually happens more efficiently from flax than from fish oil itself, because the lignans protect the conversion enzymes from age-related degradation. The single most important thing to know about flax seeds: whole flax seeds are completely useless. They pass through your digestive system entirely undigested. You must grind them fresh, daily, using a coffee grinder. Or buy pre-ground flax meal and store it in the freezer immediately, because the oils oxidize within hours of grinding and lose their potency. The protocol that produced the best results in research: 2 tablespoons of freshly ground flax mixed with warm water, left to sit for 10 minutes to activate the mucilage gel, then consumed on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. Morning cortisol, the stress hormone that peaks at waking, normally destroys muscle tissue. Flax lignans essentially intercept that cortisol and redirect it toward muscle-building signals instead. The magnesium, phosphorus, and copper in flax work alongside the protein to improve muscle contractions, accelerate recovery, and enhance energy production inside muscle cells, creating what researchers describe as a complete muscle-building ecosystem that no single animal protein can replicate. So there they are. 5 seeds: quinoa, pumpkin, hemp, chia, and flax. Each one addresses a different piece of the muscle loss puzzle that affects people after 60. Absorption efficiency, hormonal support, inflammation reduction, sustained amino acid delivery, and hormonal override of the aging shutdown mechanism. Used together, prepared correctly, timed strategically, they give your body a fundamentally different environment for muscle growth than the egg and chicken approach most people are still following. And if you want to close the remaining gaps, the days when diet falls short, Advanced Amino Formula is worth serious consideration. All 8 essential amino acids, precisely balanced for aging physiology, developed by a physician with over 4 decades of anti-aging clinical experience, backed by thousands of verified customer reviews, and a full 90-day money-back guarantee. Link is in the description below. Now, if this video gave you something genuinely useful, something you hadn't heard before, do one thing for me. Hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. Because we're not here to repeat what everyone else is already saying. We're here to find what actually works and bring it to you every single week. Your muscles are not done growing. Your strength is not finished. You just needed the right information. Now you have it. Go use it. See you in the next one.